Hello guys, what's up? I hope that you're fine. So now in this video, we learn how to edit in a professional for beginners. The first part of editing is that you have to import the files that you're going to edit your files, video, photos or anything that you have to do. So right now I'm using sample videos. Which one? And obviously the free one. The just you have to do drag and drop here. Don't drag and drop on the video surface one. Okay, and now here is it. Now you can see the resolution or frame rate of this media does not match the setting of this project. Means the resolution of this video is not match to this one. Okay, so you have option that you have to manage in to this part, or you have to manage this on this. Okay, so I will choose the project language here. Now you can see the biker bike the cycle. Okay, now the first part of editing, that is import. Just click on import and import media file, or you simply press Ctrl plus I here. Now you can select where is it your photo, video, and here so many options that your computer has. So just now I'm going to edit this video. Now in Filmora X there is very options from video and editing song that you have to install in your computer. Okay, and there is titles also that you have to edit text in your video, photos or anything that you want to text. And here just I download one text. It's a basic. Okay, and I just drop on here, and now see my video timing is just about 1.2 seconds, and here the test video is about 4 seconds. Now you have to just click on here and just press Ctrl plus B, and here is it slip, and here is split into two parts. Okay, and this one we don't need, and simply press delete button, just delete it. Now here we go our test. Here you can see the settings are open from this title. Now you can change the title name. Here I can just simply add technical. Now you can control its position in this bar also, or simply with your mouse. Now here I can just tap on this, and this is okay. And now there is a very style or color to do with this. Just simply tap on anyone you want, and there is also option to select your font. It is a font type. Just click on this, and there is many of font in right view. Yes, just click anywhere, and you can select the size of this text, anything you want. Now here you can see the second option is animation. Just click on animation. Yes, now you can watch the animation has multiple layers. Yes, there is many of animation that you want to love it, that just click on this and see. And you have to animate in video. Let's see. If I select this part, the typewriter, here the text will type like a typewriter. See there, technical. And here is manage option, and just like this, down up to, means the text will down and up to. See, now you learned how to export and how to add text in your video. Now just click on audio section, and there is a lot of songs that you have to install and use it in free. See, just I use this button, just click on add. Now you have to just do scroll down. Yes, and just you see there is lot of. And now see, we have to cut this all entire part that is behind the video. So just we go on here and just select the audio and simply press Ctrl plus D and delete. See, now our video has come the sound. See, now second one is transaction. Transaction is a very most important part of video editing that you have to learn for beginners. If you want to use transaction, if you have two or more slides, just add slides. Just write like this and this. Yeah, okay. Yes. Now go on transaction. Just click on this and just drag it to the end. Okay. Now here is text. In the same way you have to stretch. Yeah, okay. Now it's fine. Now you can see. But here you can watch the black screen. Here is it we call the transaction. Here we can add the menu of transaction we have that we use. The first one is dissolve. Just we have to do drag and just drop on here. Now we go to see. Just we have to now see, it's very easy to add transaction in your video, and transaction is a very necessary to your video that look like a pro. And now second one is to erase, and just simply in this, and now click on just the erase to apply this. See, here is a perfect. And now see the video. Yeah, here is a menu of transaction in Filmora X. You can use any one of these, and just like this I can add this. See, it's a very good transaction in this Filmora X. See, yeah, it's very good. Now in Filmora X there is another option that is effect section. See, now effect section will help you to add any third party color source. Okay, third party color source. See, like this, if I add on this, see this, all black and white. Okay, and there is one more 70. Yeah, if you want to apply it, just don't click on this. Now you can drag and drop from where to where you have to select the video. Okay, just I click on this. Now see the video. See, the elements that are coming in this video that are called effect, and the effect are used to making montage or any gameplay videos. See, and here is many of effect, many. So guys, I tell you all the basics of editing. Now till bye bye.